like sort it out for low tide and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Townfest Park Run, I was able to do a full Facebook Live for the whole time of an hour and a half. Normally it was rock.